Let me show you how to blur a part of any video or image in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing you have to do is to, of course, import your video, right? Now, under your effects panel or tab right here, right, go and type in the keyword Gaussian Blur. And click and drag it onto your video. Now you come to where, ensure you're under your effect control tab. Right now you have different shapes. Okay, so let's assume I just want to blur this particular view count shown on the video, right? So what I need to do is I'm going to select the shape. Now we have three shapes under your effect control, so I can choose anyone that works best, but I'm just going to take the circle or the ellipse tool, right? So I've successfully added an ellipse mask onto my video, right? So I just want to drag it to the exact space I want to add the blur effect, right? So of course you can adjust it to whatever shape you want, right? So when you are satisfied with the shape or you successfully marked the section you want to blur, now you come down to, still under your effect control tab, right? You come to where you have this the blurriness. Now you can adjust this shape, figure to give you a certain degree. So the higher the number or the higher the value, the more the blur effect, right? So I'm just going to, now of course you can, before you adjust the blur value right here, ensure you under the blur dimension you can set it to horizontal or vertical, okay, which is the default, right? So now under the where you have your blurriness, right, so you can adjust it to whatever degree of blurriness you want. So as you adjust it, you see that the blur effect here increases. So you can see that a section of this image is blur, right? So if I want to reduce the degree of blurriness, all I need to do is to come right here and of course reduce the blurriness. So you see that as you reduce the blurriness right here, the blur effect on the video section right here reduces, right? So you can of course adjust it again to whatever size you want or that degree you want. So as you see, the more you increase the value, the more the section of the video gets blur, right? So this is how you can add a blur effect to any video right in Premiere Pro. If you found this useful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.